90% of the people who try trading end up losing money. All these signals are basically sell signal for me to take a short position in Bitcoin. In our case, since Bitcoin is dipping a lot, I'm going to use the market order and I'm going to sell 10,000 units of Bitcoin. Sell. As a trader, trading strategies are really important for us to make money in the market. 90% of the people who try trading end up losing money because of wrong trading strategies or deploying strategies which do not have any data behind them, which shows that a strategy can be profitable. In our case, I'm going to use Bitcoin as a use case in order to show how strategies can be tested in TradingView. So according to our strategy, I can see that there has been a 50-day and 200-day EMA crossover in Bitcoin, which suggests a sell signal. I can see that the RSI has already crossed the average RSI value from the last 14 days. And I can also see that MACD is showing a sell signal. And I can also see that Bitcoin is currently trading way below its VWAP value. So all these signals are basically sell signal for me to take a short position in Bitcoin. But let's see whether this hypothesis is correct or not by deploying some virtual money in this particular position using TradingView. So in order to take up a virtual position, you need to hover down on the bottom of your TradingView panel and click on Trading Panel. You can see a bunch of options over here. And in order to do virtual trading, you're going to select paper trading. Click on Connect. Now you can see that our paper trading account is active since it is showing connected. The symbol that you've taken position in will show over here. Whether you have a buy side or a sell side, it will show over here. The quantity that you've taken is shown, will be shown in this particular column. Average fill price, take profit, stop loss, last price, and profit will all show in these particular columns. So according to our strategy, we wanted to short Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on trade, create a new order, select sell, and I'm going to sell 10,000 units of Bitcoin. You can also click on market order, limit order, or stop order according to your preference to see whether your trading strategy is profitable or not. In our case, since Bitcoin is dipping a lot, I'm going to use the market order and I'm going to sell 10,000 units of Bitcoin. Sell. You can see that the order has been executed. The side is short. This is the current profit or loss our position is currently in. And now we're going to wait for another 15 minutes because we had a 15-minute time frame. So let's wait and see whether our strategy will be profitable or not. I'm going to exit the position after 15 minutes because whenever you do trading, it is really important for you to stick to your trading strategy and your rules. And only then it will help you identify whether your trading strategy is worth it or not. The account balance basically shows what is your current account balance, the equity that you had initially, and what is your open profit, which is basically the profit or loss that you would be getting at any of your open positions. Although I can see there is $300,000 of profit that I would have made till now, but I want to churn as much profit as I can via this particular strategy. So I'm going to wait because a lot of traders also lose a lot of money because of the FOMO effect, which is the fear of missing out. I can see that the profits are declining, but if I exit the position too early, it might end up in a FOMO effect. And after a time frame of, let's say, 30 minutes, I might see Bitcoin dipping a lot, due to which I might have made a profit of about $1 million, but I ended up only taking $300,000 or $200,000 out of the position. And that is going to trigger revenge trading, in which I can see a very good red candle in this particular case, which shows that Bitcoin is going to dip more. Now we are in loss of $20,000. We're going to wait for this strategy. Let's move down to a smaller time frame and see actually what is happening. In this case, I'm going to move to the 5 minutes time frame. RSI is basically giving me a signal that Bitcoin is already in the oversold region. So whether this makes sense for me to exit the position or not, let's wait. for another 5 minutes. It is really important for you to stick to your trading strategy or your trading rules whenever you end up taking a position. Because as a trader, we usually get very emotional about our positions. And once we see that we had a profit of $300,000 and currently the position is in negative $30,000, we might end up risking our entire balance and lose actual money in the market. There might also be a scenario where the candle might just go to the moon and you might end up losing a lot of money. That is why stop loss is really important. So I've watched this particular position for a while now and I do not see the price going further down. You can left click on your position. You can either choose a stop loss or close your position directly. In our case, I'm going to use the protect position option and I'm going to select a stop loss for a position. And now we are going to wait whether Bitcoin is going to plummet or whether it is going to hit our stop loss. I see that the candle is still negative. So let's wait for a little bit more time. I'm going to modify the stop loss because this risk to reward ratio is not attractive at all. So I'm going to modify my order and I'm going to select 200, which is 1089 as a stop loss. I'm going to use 300. And I'm also going to modify our order, take profit at a position of 600. So currently our risk to reward ratio is 2:1. So either we are going to make $600,000 profit on this particular trade or we are going to lose $300,000. So let's just wait and see what happens next. I'm going to move down to the 5-minute time frame and see actually what is happening. You can always select different time frames to select a zoomed view or a zoomed out view to check what is happening on the lower time frame or on a higher time frame. In our case, I was not able to understand what was happening on the higher time frame, so we moved down to a lower time frame. We're not getting the move that we wanted initially. So I'm going to exit my position at this point because I do not see the position moving anywhere. I do not see any kind of new volume that is coming in the 5-minute time frame. So I'm going to exit the position. Our buy order was executed and we took the position over here, and you can see that we exited the position here. So this is how easy it is to test your trading strategies using TradingView. See you in next tutorial where we will discuss other trading strategies to help you become a more profitable trader. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more insightful videos like this. Thank you.